Just sitting here taking a shit.
Let the band play.
Smoking a blunt. This big ass mansion.
Got a whole lot of cake, estates, snakes, fake flights, ice. We just living life.
All right, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Nocturnal. Tonight we have a very familiar face with us. We are with Kaleb tonight.
How you guys doing?
Kaleb was on the channel with his C6 ZR1 and a super badass Civic. Honestly, the Civic is one of my favorite videos out there. So if you haven't seen those videos yet, make sure you go check them out. But tonight we're with Kaleb, and this is his absolutely gorgeous L5P Duramax. This is probably my dream truck, man. Just walk us through this thing. What do you got done to it? Obviously, it's got a full paint match. It makes some power. Walk us through this thing.
So we got a full paint match grill, fog light housings, the bezels, mirrors, the rear plastics on the bumper.
Dude, this thing is, like, everything on this truck is paint matched. What's this color called?
Stone blue.
Stone blue. It is absolutely stunning. You have all the toys in the world, a lot of them. Why did you decide to go with the Duramax?
They've really never let me down. Bought this one with a bad trans.
Yeah.
And it was slipping when I bought it.
Yeah.
Honestly, I was hauling skids and shit all over the place with it, with a bad trans, so they've never really let me down. I had a Ford before this, and I just do not like the way them things haze.
Yeah.
They got the crankcase reroute, and man, they're either burning out your exhaust and smoking or pissing on the ground, and I'm not a fan of that.
If any of you guys have been watching for a long time, there's a couple cars that I want to eventually own someday, and this is on that list. I am a huge fan of the L5P. This is actually my dream truck, probably to a T. Like, let's get an overview of this rig. I mean, it's just such a good looking truck. Every angle about it. Other than the cosmetic stuff on this thing, it gets kind of rowdy. Yeah. What do you have done performance-wise to this, other than all the goodies on this?
So I had Braden Rhodes build me a trans for it. Like I said, it was slipping when I first bought it. It's got a triple disc converter, stock fuel. Need to put a fast on it. It's got an S369. I really like the rasp of the S400s, but I don't like how laggy they are.
Yeah.
I haul my cars a lot, skid loader, like I said.
Yeah.
So I like my trucks to be able to work. So
yeah.
The S369 does a pretty good job at it for me.
And we're gonna get a ride along here in a little bit in this thing so you can see what it's like. But do you want to pop the hood for us so we can see under there? I am in love with this thing. Everything on this truck is paint matched. I mean, everything. Leaf springs, everything is paint matched. All the suspension components, and even some stuff in the engine bay here. Let me turn this light on so you guys can see. Just a sick truck. So how much power does this thing make as it sits right now?
I'd say it's right around 700, 750.
Yeah, so it's a ripper.
Yeah, very, very well for what it is.
And I'm excited for you guys to see this thing when it's turned on, because it's all lit up too. It's got LED Chevy badges, all the cab lights. The cab lights are even paint matched. Like,
housings on the headlights are paint matched. Inside the tail light,
yeah, I mean,
photos are opened up.
Everything on here.
Upper, lower control arms, spindle, sway bar. Sean and Travis, as usual, knocked it out of the park. King coatings. I literally don't even tell him what I want done.
He just does it.
Knocks it out of the park every fucking.
See that? There's been a lot of cars on this channel that have gone to King's Coatings for all their stuff. So shout out to Sean. If you guys have any interest in powder coat work or anything else that they do, make sure you go check them out. They're a very good company based out of St. Louis. So here's the taillights that he was talking about too. I mean, these are aftermarket headlights or taillights that they cracked open and paint matched.
Don't make these anymore, actually. They're the hallway taillights. I fear all the time for my kid
breaking them.
They ride their bikes and shit around in the garage.
All right, well, I'm gonna have him start this thing up so we can hear what it sounds like, and then we're gonna go for a quick rip. Golly. Sounds good, dude.
Thank you.
I'm a Duramax glazer, I'm not gonna lie. Duramax is the best diesel truck. If you have anything else to say about that, let me know in the comments, but I'm buying a Duramax. It's all lit up. I mean, golly. White LEDs everywhere. It's kind of hard to tell on camera, but the Chevy emblem's also lit up. Really, this is a OEM hood? Really? Yeah. I didn't know they had those vents like that. That's sick. Gonna go for a rip?
Yeah, let's rock.
All right, we're gonna go for a rip.
Outlaw, pop, blueprint, no rocks. Big boy, rocks at the mansion, drinking scotch. I just killed the parking lot. I just killed the parking lot. What the fuck is that, man? $500,000 in my parking spot.
Yeah, it's a little cold out. Shout out to Kaleb for coming out. It's not as cold as it has been. It's been like 15 degrees the last couple days, but today it's about 40. So we got a little good day for this. You got a little gauge set up over there. Who are you tuned by?
I had Braden tune it whenever I had that trans put in it.
Cool.
The S300 actually used to tune like fucking dog shit.
Really?
I was convinced I needed to go to a smaller turbo.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, he retuned it, man. Night and day difference. It spools so much faster.
That's
raised
awesome.
the shift points up on it.
Yeah.
Put more pressure in the line.
I'm excited for this because I've been in maybe 2 to 3 fast trucks, and he's gonna have some beeps probably, but just deal with it because this truck's badass. But I have been in only a handful of pretty fast trucks or trucks with a setup like this, so I'm really excited to experience it. She rips, man.
It runs good.
We're losing our papers out of here. Going fast in a truck is such a different feeling than going fast in a car.
Oh yeah, it's different moving 8 to 10,000 pounds down the road.
It's a night and day difference, but I love it. See it all lit up out there? Favorite part about this truck, you have a lot of cool vehicles
that all my kids fit. I got
Yeah.
2 boys, 5 and 3, man. And I hate having to pick who gets to ride with me.
What do they think about this thing?
They want me to put fucking stars in the ceiling. But I've done grown out of that phase.
Yeah.
So.
Stars are cool, but I think they're a little overdone.
I mean, they'll probably get stars in the ceiling.
Dude, you gotta get the
they get what they want.
blue stars in the ceiling. It'd be
Yeah,
sick.
it'll get something. I literally didn't even control them. In my old Mega Cab, they just sat there and switched the fucking lights, different colors. Keeps them occupied.
There you go. If he still has this thing, he's got it for sale right now.
It is for sale.
So if you're watching this video and you're interested in buying this truck, hit me up or hit him up, and I'll plug all of his stuff in the description below because he's selling this thing potentially.
Yeah, I like to switch it up a good bit. Right now I got too much blue shit going on. They're all different shades.
Yeah, he's got a ZR1, a Fox body that's kind of blue, the neon.
Yeah, I got a problem.
He's got a lot of blue cars. Sounds so good.
Yeah, I love it.
Oh my gosh. I love how Duramaxes sound. A lot of you guys are probably gonna piss on me for that, but I don't care. Everybody, like, Duramax is the best diesel. I do not care. It sounds so good. Just screaming.
Yeah, I like it. I mean, I really like the way the Cummins tows.
Yeah.
Just cannot accept the way their front ends are.
Some Cummins I do like, but
I love them. They tow fucking fantastic.
Yeah.
But the fact that I can sit here and do this, and we're still gonna go straight, and you're not feeling that yanking that we're feeling right now, not okay.
Yeah.
I like my shit being tight in the front end, no play.
That's what she said. Well, not really. Right here in the middle of Redneck Nation, middle of nowhere, and he's turning around down here, but he's gonna come back and do a little rip for us so we can hear what this thing sounds like from the outside. I'm excited for this. I low-key hope he kind of like does a burnout or something, because that'd be fucking sick, dude. But I'm in love with this truck. Let me know what you guys think about it down below. This is something I'd like to have. I have a list of like 4 vehicles that I really want on this channel. A twin turbo C6, an L5P, 600 LT, a McLaren, that'd be the end one, and an M4 of some sort, so I'm excited. Damn, he's ripping that thing all the way over there. Probably trying to turn around. I hope he's not leaving me in the middle of nowhere. He ain't, he's turning around. All right, go ahead. That thing rips, dude. So badass. I hope that was a good video for you guys. All right, guys, so that's gonna be a wrap on this absolutely stunning L5P. Huge shout out to Caleb for coming out once again, man.
Yeah, no problem, man. I love walking around and showing off my shit, man.
Yeah, absolutely. He's got a bunch of other cool stuff, and hopefully we can do something again with him. He's got a lot of connections too that have a lot of cool stuff. So anyone you want to shout out that have helped on this thing, or
man, my best friend TJ helped me rip the whole front end apart, portion bars and all that shit out. Really a big help on it.
Yeah.
And like I said, Sean and Travis, man.
Yeah.
They're
absolutely
game changers. And my best friend Race really helped me out with this kryptonite shit, because it's not fucking cheap.
Yeah. Huge shout out to Kaleb once again for coming out. If you guys want to see stuff like this on a regular basis, make sure you subscribe to the channel because we film cool stuff like this all the time. Even throughout the winter, we're going to be filming cool stuff like this. So make sure you stay tuned and make sure you subscribe. Thank you guys for watching another episode of Nocturnal, and peace out. We'll see you next time.
Drugs, car, superstar, wallet, model, got a whole lot of mistakes, snakes, fake flights, ice. We just living life.